What's up everyone, welcome to Quick Tip Wednesday, where I give you tips quickly on Wednesday. I should have given you yesterday, but I don't have like any ideas. So today I have this is like a different topic. I never do this kind of videos before, but I just really want to address this. This is something in my head for a while and it's really annoying that I really have to talk it up. So over the years, YouTube has become this popular platform for people to upload their videos. If you go on Google and search YouTube, you can see that YouTube has been defined as a video sharing website. But when advertisers started to see that YouTube can reach a broader audience than cable, they started to come in. I think it was a little bit after Gangnam Style was released or around then. This is when you can monetize your videos, like putting ads inside your videos so you can get some of the revenue from that. And after the Logan Paul case, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time. But in order to get the paycheck out of your YouTube account, you need a minimum of $400 if I'm not mistaken, because I don't really study the algorithm, like the stuff, and I can't really monetize my videos yet. But does it mean that people should upload the videos onto YouTube just to earn money? That's the biggest question in everyone's head ever since they started to introduce this thing called monetization. And my only answer is no. I don't think you should upload your videos onto YouTube just to earn money. Let me tell you why. A couple of days ago, I discovered this YouTuber called Dji Spark. He makes a lot of valuable videos and podcasts talking about minimalism and creativity. His YouTube channel was indeed different than the ones that you might know. He didn't monetize his videos at all, but he started a Patreon page to allow his audience from YouTube to support him through Patreon. And I think this is a very brilliant and interesting way for people to make use of this platform called YouTube to earn money or maybe make a living out of it. And I think this is one of the ways that people should look into to earn some bucks from like YouTube. Okay, let me give you another example. Let's say you're volunteering in this charity event, and charity events doesn't pay you money and it's purely just for charity. But in the end, you don't get paid, you work freaking hard. So what do you get? You get to be a part of changing the lives of like millions or thousands of people. You get to expose yourself to this community of people. You get to meet new people, you get to make new friends. And from there, by luck, the more people that you meet, you might even land yourself a job. And again, this is how we should think when it comes to uploading videos onto YouTube. And some people might think it differently. They might be thinking that if I'm constantly uploading my vlogs or like my videos, my memories onto this platform without earning money, then what's the point? Like I mentioned earlier, this is a video sharing website. It's not a job seeking website. It's not a place, it's not a money earning website, okay? So you shouldn't have expectations. No one should have expectations at all for everything. You shouldn't expect getting something back after giving something out. Trust me, I've learned it the hard way. Like if you're giving this present to this girl or guy, then you expect that she will give you something back or she might fall in love with you. That's not how it works. You give him or her the present because you value his or her happiness. You wanted him or her to be happy, and that's all you should take, and not expecting her to give you something back like love or like whatsoever. And all you want is for him or her to be happy, right? I mean, that's what you think when you love her, right? But with consistency, commitment and patience, the more presents that you give, and one day she'll probably give you something back. It might not be love, it might be something else. So same thing applies to YouTube. The more value you give to YouTube or your audience, the more chances and hopes that your videos are gonna appear on the trending page or the home page, and that's how YouTube repays you. Not with money, but exposure. And when you have the audience to watch your videos, you can either A. monetize your videos, B. pitch your ideas to advertisers, C. use that chance to meet new people. Like if you have 100 views on one of your videos and one of them offers you a job, that's worth much more than making money out of AdSense. And D. start a Patreon page and ask your audience if they can spare a couple bucks for you to continue making videos. And I have to be honest, it almost worked for me to become a patron for Dji Spark, but not for now because now I'm not financially stable. But eventually, when I'm stable enough, I will definitely donate my money to like Dji Spark. And you get much more value on this Patreon page, like how to color grade your videos, or like how does he set up his stuff, or like secret vlogs, or like tips and tricks and some other stuff. So in the end, you still get more. So it makes me feel kind of rude not to donate to him after getting so much value from his videos on YouTube. And for Dji Spark to make me feel this way, this is what I think that all of the YouTubers out there should be doing, should be striving for, to make your audience feel more connected and like to be more, to feel that they have gained value from like the YouTubers and they have inspired them to change their lives or do something more. I think that everyone, including YouTubers, should learn from this. Like providing value, being patient, and not having expectations. And, like they always say, when you're doing something, don't think about the money. Because money comes to those who persevere, and not for those who give up. Whew, that's a wrap.